a little dark. Gotta figure this out. Hold on. All right, so I told a little fib because my room just still isn't ready for like the lighting part. We got to get that figured out. But in a minute here, I'm going to get the pink room figured out. You guys mark my words. But hey, Brats, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe because we have a good time over here. But if you guys aren't aware, I am finally filming in my brand new store. We are almost set to open, so I'm super excited. If you haven't been watching that series, make sure you guys check that out. It's in a shorts series and I've got it in a playlist so you guys can see everything from the ground up and how we've been working. But we have a really exciting haul today because I have some things that are PR and I also have some things that I just picked up on my own. So I'm going to stop talking and we're going to get right into it. I have this big old bag that I actually got off Amazon. A company sent this to me a while ago. I actually did a short on this. So if you guys are interested in that, you can also check that out. I'll find it somewhere. I don't know where it is, but it was a long time ago. But yeah, it fits everything. It's so perfect. So I have a bunch of packages and I'm just gonna go ahead and start with this one. And if I believe this one is from Liquid IV, which it is, it says it on the little label part. So I actually work with them and I love working with Liquid IV because it comes in so much handy, especially after a night of drinking, and also because I'm always like working out now. Your girl's a fitness girl now, so I love working with them. And this is just hydration multiplier. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's just something that you put into your water and it helps you get more hydrated because it's got electrolytes in it and all that good stuff. So this pack is the strawberry flavor and I haven't tried this yet, so I'm super excited about that. And then this flavor right here is mango tamarino. I actually haven't tried any of these flavors, so I cannot wait to try these. They couldn't come at a more perfect time because, like I said, I've been gymming it up. And then also I have a tropical punch, and I have had this flavor, so I know I love this. So thank you, Liquid IV, for sending these on over to me. I feel like we started this off with a bang. The next is Ego Official, and they sent me over something. I have no idea what it is. Let's see. It feels like it might be like a shirt or something. Can I see that? And it's not. Is this a shirt? What is this? Thought it was a shirt, but I guess not. Let's see what this is. It's white. I know that much. I can see that. Oh, it's a bag. This is super cute. It's a bag, you guys. It's so cute. This is actually, it reminds me of the, not Balenciaga, but the Bottega. It's a Bottega dupe, and it's white, and this is gonna be perfect because it's nice and spacious. I'll stand up so you guys can see what it looks like on. It's got like the knot. It feels like it's good quality, like really well made. So let's unzip it. It's got silver hardware, which is nice because I don't really have many things that have silver hardware. And then inside it just looks like that. A little bit of a weird scent to it, so I'm gonna have to make sure I lay this out so it can just like sit out and get the scent off. But other than that, so cute. Thank you, you guys. I love this. Next, we have something from Amazon, and I think these have been literally sitting in my windowsills for so long. I don't even remember what this stuff is anymore, but I believe, yes it is. This is exactly what I thought it was gonna be. This is from Hi-O, and if you guys remember me working with them a few years ago, actually, I did like the reusable period pads. It was bamboo, like the bamboo material pads. They have something else out now, and I was so excited to try this out because they know women. You know, it's two sisters that own this company, so everything just works for them. So this is a cold compressed moist pad. It's one of their newest products, and I'm going to try to open this up as well. All right, so here is the packaging. I got it open, and it's pink. How adorable is this? So it says on here, let's see, this is a hot cold pack, and it is, let's see. Okay, so they have instructions that you need to go on YouTube. They have a video for you to be able to check it out first. So I'll make sure I watch that. But this is so cute. So like I said, it is a hot cold pad, and this is supposed to be great for you whenever like you're on your period or if you have cramps, just in general. I'll be doing a full review on this soon once I figure it out. I'm laughing because I said there was just a few things that were sent, but I have like one thing that I purchased out of all of this stuff. So next is Anika T. Her name is Anika T, but this is from Astria's Corner, and hopefully I'm saying this right. It's either Astria's. I'll make sure I show the card so you guys can see it because I'm probably pronouncing that completely wrong, but Astria's Corner, I believe. And this really cute bag, like look at how adorable this is. So hold on. It just is very croquette. if you will. Adorable. So it's quilted and it's got these flowers on it. They're pink, and this is gold hardware, so right up my alley. The inside is very spacious once again, even though it is a smaller bag. I just think that's so cute. And then also it looks like it came with, and then also it came with a little purse charm. So this is so cute. I can just put this right on the bag. It's got bows on it, as well as some pink beads, pearls. I love this. This is so cute. So I'm gonna be putting that on later on and rocking this thing. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm over here making a mess. I'm gonna show you guys this pile when we're done. But the next thing is from Edikted, and I've actually never received anything from Edikted before, so I was excited when they contacted me. I heard that they are really affordable clothing. They've got some really cute stuff, so I did pick 2 things, or 3 things maybe it was. I can't remember, it's been so long, but yeah, okay, it's 3 things. So I got this t-shirt, or shirt really, it's not a t-shirt, that I picked. It's floral, once again, really into like the croquet. This almost actually matches this purse. Like, look at this. Like, let's talk about it real quick. I didn't even do that on purpose, but it's really cute. It's just this floral. It's kind of beigey or cream. It's not necessarily fully white. I also got this necklace right here. It is like a pearl bow necklace. I thought that was really cute little statement piece, as well as the earrings that matches. So I will be rocking those. You guys make sure you check me out on Instagram. You'll always see what I'm wearing. So yeah, thank you Edikted. I'm so excited. That's cool. I feel like we're almost there. I'm just keeping the thing that I actually purchased myself. Next we have Otter Spirit, and they contacted me the other day. I'm gonna be doing a full review for them as well on these bracelets. I need to rock them first though, so I can like fully tell you guys how I feel about them. But from what I see so far and for what the company stands for, I love them. So here is the packaging right here, and let's see. It just says, each gemstone tells a unique story. Now it's time for you to write yours. This is one of them right here. It is this gorgeous white stone. I'm actually about to put this on my left right now because I have all these bracelets on my right, but it's just white and it's got like this little Otter Spirit. It's the logo right there. Then I also got a green one. That's really pretty, and I love how they go together. It fits perfectly. I told them my size is usually like size 7 for my wrist, so it's perfect. It fits perfectly. And then also I remember this, I did get a pink one as well, so they could all just go perfectly together. So here is the pink. And again, I'm going to be doing a full review so I can tell you guys everything that the company stands for and all that good stuff, but I'm going to be rocking these for a little bit first so I can tell you guys how I really feel. But so far so good. They have like a good weight to them. They're not too heavy but not too lightweight at the same time. These seem like they're gonna be my summer statement, so thank you guys. Another exciting one, we have Tower 28. They sent something over and it looks like this was like low-key almost already open, but I have never had anything from Tower 28. I always see like that little face spray that's super popular, the SOS spray. I want to try that, but like at the same time I don't know if I should, because I never really get, like, my skin's not acne prone, so I never want to try anything that I don't need just because of like popularity, but I kind of just want to try it, you know what I mean? Anyways, they sent the new lip softy. This is the treatment Tower 28. What flavor is this? Dolce maybe? I believe it's called Dolce. That's the shade right here. You guys can see it, but it looks so cute already in the packaging. I'm so excited. You guys know I'm a sucker for lip products. Like, I love anything that's gonna make my lips glossy without giving me any type of color like that. So here is what the little bottle looks like. It's so cute. You guys, this smells so good. I can't wait. Oh, this is in the, look at it. That's like a really pretty color. I love that. It reminds me of the Glossier Hot Cocoa that I had. It didn't like really show too much color, but it's just like enough. So that's really pretty. I love that. I love that for me. I love that for them. This is really, really pretty. And it smells so good. Next we have from Smart Sweets. I actually am going to be doing a giveaway soon with them for Easter time. So if you guys want to just be on the lookout for that, I will make sure that I have that up. But this is the first one. I have 2 from them because I'm working with them for 2 separate type of videos, if that makes any sense. They actually have a new product that just came out today, or a new flavor that just came out today that was like super top secret that I couldn't share yet. So here is the first one for Easter time. Look at how cute. I just love their packaging. It's always the cutest theme stuff. So it just has some stickers in it. And this is the one I'm going to be doing a giveaway for. So I'm going to be having this exact package is going to be going to one of you guys. Not this one because this one's mine, but I'm going to have the same, if that makes any sense, things in the package for you. But it just has all of the packages in this cute springtime. Look at that. That's so cute. So it does have tropical eggs in it. Berry bunnies. I have never tried any of these, so this is just adorable. Next, we have this super top secret one that just came out today, and I am so excited. I can share it now because they actually have it posted now on their Instagram because you guys can, I believe, purchase them now. But it's Barbie, you guys. They have a collaboration with Barbie right now, and look at how stinking cute this is. Like, look at that packaging. I am obsessed. The flavor is Pink Lemonade Dream, and I haven't tried it myself yet, so I cannot wait. As soon as I get off this video, I'm gonna be trying it out. Again, I'm gonna be doing a full review solely on this alone so it can get its recognition that it needs. But like, this is, I told you, their packaging is everything. And I love Smart Sweets because it's good for you. You don't feel all guilty eating them. It's just so exciting. Then lastly, this is the package that I actually purchased on my own. This was not sent to me. This is the new Rhode peptide lip treatment phone case, so I can put all my peptide treatments in this case if I'll ever be able to open it up. But I love Rhode. Like, Haley's got it going on right now. She's just so trendy. Everybody wants to be her. Everybody wants everything that she has, so I'm not mad at sis. I just like her products though. I don't necessarily want to be Haley because I love myself, you know, as you should. But anyways, this is what it looks like when you open it up. It just says Rhode on the inside. Pretty much all of the Rhode packaging. It's got beautiful Haley right here. On the back, it just says one of everything really good. So it just tells you what the philosophy is of Rhode. And then it's packaged up nice in this tissue paper. And we've got the packaged up really good. I'm not gonna even hold you up. Okay. And then we've got the case right here. So I actually want to keep this box because I think that's really cute. It says Text Treat Tint on the top right there. And then I did get this for my new phone. I have the 15 Pro Max now. So here it is right here. And again, I'm going to be doing another full review dedicated on this so you guys can see what it looks like with the lip gloss in it and all that good stuff and how it fits on the phone. So that is everything, you guys. Ooh, I feel like that took forever. I didn't realize I had this much stuff, but I'm going to show you what all this pile looks like in front of me after I get off. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Be on the lookout for all these reviews by themselves individually because they deserve just that much. Thank you to all the companies who sent me these items. And I can't wait to put my phone case on and try out these bracelets for you guys. So with that being said, make sure if you are not subscribed yet that you become a part of the Brat family. We have a really good time over here. And I will talk to you guys again very soon with another review. I love you. Mwah. Bye, Brats.